Me need 3 fork, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen at the place where me speak on. Cook, give me on any boy.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a long time. I'm in my uniform, just got off work, but listen. This video right here is long overdue. I've been wanting to try this for a while, but I haven't done it. Anyway, before you get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. So, I've been seeing people trying these chips. And as you can see, this thing is in the shape of a coffin. So you know it ain't no joke. And people have been hacking and doing all kinds of stuff when they try it. So you know what? Me being me, I accepted the challenge. And today, I'm going to try it myself. And I'm going to see if it's really as bad as people have been making it out to be. So, I ain't going to stretch this thing out, okay? But let me tell y'all right now. I ain't going to be like those crazy people and try a whole chip at the same time. No, I'm not doing that. I might act crazy, but I'm not that crazy. So guess what? I'm trying to open this thing. Y'all see they got the little tape on the side. I'm trying to open that right there. I'm gonna try a little piece cause I like my taste buds. I ain't trying to go through all that, you know what I'm saying? Real peppers, real heat. And y'all see that? Like the skull and whatnot. I don't know why. Really, I wanted to try this when my mom came to visit, but I completely forgot that I told her we were gonna do it. That's a little evil to want my mom to try it, but this is what the package looks like. That's a little evil to want her to try it. And this is the 2022 version. But you know what? I gotta get into it. My mom gotta get into it too. TJ, I know you said you want to try it, but I don't think so. Do it. I got my milk ready, y'all. I got my milk ready. A whole thing. Smell that. Exactly. Nah, listen. It's broken into pieces. But listen, I'm not trying this whole thing. I'm not crazy. So you see this little piece right here, that's all y'all get today. That's all y'all get. But let's see. Not gonna lie. Whoa. And that was just the tip of... Listen. Uh-huh. Oh. I'm not gonna be able... Woo! Oh my God. Oh, Jesus, take the wheel. Oh.
Didn't see you done.
How do people... How do people eat the whole... All of back here. All of back here is burning. You hear me? How do people eat the whole thing? Whew. And it's like, it just keeps getting hotter. That's why they got a whole daggone coffin on there. My tongue getting numb. Hell no.
Too spicy.
This mess up. Whoever created this is evil. God. And it's like the moment that cold isn't on your tongue anymore. Whew. Like it's almost like there's heat. This one knows he gets y'all. This one knows he gets you. Cause all I had to do was mind my business. All I had to do was mind my my ears about to start ringing. Nah, bro, I gotta go get some sugar. So, that heat don't go nowhere. And all I did was a little bit. Y'all, I gotta go. This crazy. Listen, y'all, I just had a whole spoon of sugar. This is where the milk is at, and still I'm trying. Sugar ain't working, milk ain't working. A half a bottle.
Now which one's not gonna work?
My ear is killing me. All because I chew on this side, so this is the only side that hurts. All this is killing me.
Yeah, it's killing me too. Because
You didn't even try it. I won't do that to him though.
I'll smell it because I'm just gonna use the bathroom and throw up.
The cookie ain't even helping. I don't even know why. The milk is the only thing giving some kind of relief. I will never get this curious again. Let me not say that, because knowing me, I'll probably do it again. Nothing like this though. Nah, I'm good. I hope y'all like this one. Don't ever try this mess. This is some nonsense. Don't do it.
Yeah, don't trust that. It's evil. Don't trust that.
Don't do it to yourself. And the fact that it's shaped in a coffin should say a lot. That's madness. It's kind of calming down right now, but still it's like as soon as I drink the milk and it's gone, here it comes again. Like there's no getting rid of the heat. It just keeps coming. Like what kind of mess is this? It just won't stop. Of all the bad decisions, this is probably the worst decision I ever made in my life. Hope y'all like this video. I want you to like that. Peace out. So, it's been about 15 minutes. My mouth is finally starting to feel fine. But at the top of here, you know when you kind of got a cut, it kind of feels something along them lines. I don't know if that thing burned my daggone mouth so bad that, I don't know. But it kind of feels like that. And my tongue feels numb. What did I do to myself? However, my mouth feels way better. Way, way better. But I can only imagine what would happen if I ate that whole thing. Because all I ate was that small piece. I probably would have been dead if I had the whole daggone thing. That's crazy. I don't know how people get brave enough to do the whole thing. Nah, I'm good. I'm not doing nothing like that no more. At least I don't think so. Peace out.
Right, Vibes Kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread